you been here before? Good. Put your hands down.
It's a beautiful spring day in Imperial Beach, perfect for spotting threatened bird species at the Tijuana estuary. Chris Redfern is executive director of the Audubon Society's San Diego chapter.
We're piloting this curriculum and this field trip, and then what we plan to do is roll it out to other Audubon chapters all up and down the coast of California so that we can spread this message of helping to protect the plovers all the way up and down its range.
Look through your field guides, kind of look at some of the birds that we might be seeing.
This program is called Share Our Shores. It was created to educate children about nature and how to be good stewards of the environment. U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service Refuge Manager Brian Collins says the students helped them out, too.
The kids have produced these beautiful signs for us saying, please help the plovers. And we find that the signs that the kids make are really respected by the public. Sometimes our governmental signs that say, keep out, sternly, don't get respected as well as the children's signs. And they're really cool.
11-year-old Jasmine Tillman drew one of the signs that's displayed at the plover nesting area.
I drew the snowy plover, representing that you can't just go there and just disturb them. They're like us humans, they need their space.
Where else can you find a seagull?
The program's funded by a grant from the California Coastal Commission.
Birds rule.
For KPBS, I'm Brooke Binkowski.